This is the same patient having tuberculosis, and the special focus is on the mesentery, which is hyperechoic. Not confirmed, but it is a case of tuberculosis only. Just wanted to show that how the mesentery appears. This hyperechoic is mesentery, and these are the bowel loops. How the mesentery appears when there is tuberculosis. This kind of mesentery is pathological. Normally we don't see this hyperechoic mesentery, especially this hyperechoic mesentery and clear cut this bowel margin. Whenever you have this kind of mesentery and a clear cut bowel margin, it is a sign of inflammation. And it could be intestinal tuberculosis also, because these multiple small bowel loops are a little bit dilated, so it could be subacute obstruction type. Multiple bowel loops. Lymph nodes are, however, not much appreciated. Second finding is of the kidneys having hyperechoic texture of the cortex, little bit hyperechoic, and this kidney is diffusely swollen. Here you can appreciate the hyperechoic texture of this kidney. Not so much, we can say it normal also, but I will call it a little bit hyperechoic. This side Gunja. And this is the left kidney. It is also enlarged and swollen. It is around 12 centimeter by 6 centimeter roughly. This patient is lean and thin. Let us see the texture of kidney by linear probe. This cortex is echogenic. And whenever there is renal tuberculosis, there will be destruction of the renal papilla. There will be papillary necrosis. Renal papilla will be at here, and this is the what we say papilla. No. I just forgot. I will not be able to remember at present. Pyramid, yes. This is renal pyramid. This is renal pyramid, triangular shape, and here is the papilla. And if there is papillary necrosis, then you will see the connection of this pyramid with the minor calyx. Here there will be connection, and if there is hydronephrosis. These are very fine observations. It will come by practice, but if I tell you, you will be able to know it early. It took me very long time to understand all these things. That we have to see the pyramids also, and in case of tuberculosis. At present, there is no papillary necrosis, so renal tuberculosis, I think I am not suspecting. This is once again the spleen. See there. Bas. And this is the chest, and these particles that are moving